How to reset service maintenance for Mercedes Sprinter Tourer 2024
24.
model. First, ignition on in one position, then press back button within 5 seconds, then OK button. 1 2 3 4 5. Ayan. Yan na, okay na. Malabas na din. Ignition on. Ito sabi. Then assist plus. Full service. Confirm service oil grade. Yes. Confirm. Okay, full service carried out. Okay. Okay na. Check. Check natin kung confirm.
Alas. Okay. Mia.
Full service, assist plus. Oh, yes, kalas.
Good job.